What if I told you your gut might be sabotaging your energy, mood, and immune system right now? Yep, that bloating brain fog or random fatigue. It might not be stress. It could be your gut crying for help with a megaphone you've been ignoring. Now here's the good news. Your gut can heal, and it starts with a few surprising ingredients most people overlook. We're not talking about the usual yogurt and kombucha hype. This is deeper. Hidden gut heroes that science supports, but barely anyone's talking about. Gut health affects everything, from how clearly you think to how often you get sick. A compromised gut can lead to more than just stomach problems. It can cause skin issues, mood swings, food intolerances, and a weakened immune system. So healing your gut, it's one of the smartest moves you can make. So if you've been feeling off lately, popping probiotics without results, or just want to finally fix the root of your digestion issues, you're in the right place. Let's count down the 7 hidden ingredients that could transform your gut health naturally. Stick around because number 1 will shock you. Coming in at number 7 is something that sounds like dessert but heals like medicine. Marshmallow root, yep, that's a real herb, contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that soothes inflamed tissues. When it hits your digestive tract, it acts like a soft, protective coating near your gut lining, helping reduce irritation, heartburn, and even leaky gut symptoms. It's particularly effective for those suffering from issues like gastritis, acid reflux, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Marshmallow root doesn't just mask symptoms, it supports the repair process by calming the inner lining of the gut and encouraging tissue regeneration. This has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but modern research is now catching up. Drinking marshmallow root tea before bed can reduce bloating and help your gut repair itself while you sleep. Don't go anywhere, because number 6 is a crunchy snack that feeds the good guys in your belly. Sliding into the spotlight at number 6 is the green banana. Yep, the unripe kind you probably avoid at the store. Green bananas are rich in resistant starch, which is like gourmet food for your gut bacteria. Unlike regular starches, resistant starch passes through your small intestine undigested and becomes a feast for the beneficial microbes in your colon. Think of it as fertilizer for your gut garden. What makes resistant starch so special? It increases butyrate production, a short-chain fatty acid that supports the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and improves overall digestive function. Butyrate is basically a VIP guest at the gut health party, and green bananas roll out the red carpet. You can add sliced green bananas to smoothies or even cook them into savory dishes like stews or stir-fry. Just don't overdo it. Start with a small portion to let your body adjust, and always combine it with plenty of fiber and water. Ready for number 5? This next ingredient looks like candy, but acts like a gut superhero. Just missing the top 4, number 5 is a total game changer. Licorice root, especially the deglycyrrhizinated kind, a DGL, acts like a bodyguard for your gut lining. It stimulates the production of protective mucus in the stomach and intestines, creating a natural barrier against acids, irritants, and harmful bacteria. This makes it a go-to remedy for people with ulcers, acid reflux, or H. pylori infections. Licorice root doesn't just protect, it also helps to calm inflammation and soothe the digestive tract. This dual action effect makes it a strong ally for healing the gut lining and allowing your beneficial bacteria to thrive without stress or disruption. You can find licorice root as tea, lozenges, or chewable DGL tablets. Just make sure you are getting the deglycyrrhizinated version to avoid unwanted side effects like elevated blood pressure. For best results, take it 20 minutes before meals to prepare your gut for incoming food. Hang tight. Number 4 is a golden gem with serious gut-renewing power. Kicking off the podium placements, number 4 is no joke. Slippery elm might sound like something from a forest survival show, but it's actually a powerful healing agent for your digestive system. When mixed with water, it forms a slick, gel-like consistency that coats the entire digestive tract like a soothing balm. It's especially helpful for people suffering from inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, gastritis, or chronic heartburn. The mucilage in slippery elm doesn't just coat, it protects, allowing inflamed tissues to rest and recover while reducing painful irritation. Modern herbalists often pair slippery elm with other gut-soothing herbs for even stronger results. You can mix it with warm water, honey, or even blend it into your morning smoothie for a surprisingly effective daily boost. Number 3 is wild. It's technically alive, and it wants to help you from the inside out. Hold on to your seat. Number 3 is a wild one. Fermented garlic is exactly what it sounds like. Garlic that's been soaked in brine or naturally fermented to boost its benefits and reduce its sharp bite. It brings together the antimicrobial power of garlic and the probiotic properties of fermentation to make a powerful ally for your gut. This superfood helps eliminate harmful pathogens while nurturing good bacteria. That's right, it can clear out the bad guys and fertilize the good guys at the same time. This dual action makes it one of the most underrated gut healers around. Plus, it's easier on the stomach than raw garlic and contains more antioxidants in bioavailable forms. A clove or two of fermented garlic a day can reduce gut inflammation, enhance digestion, and even support your immune system. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Timeless Cures family. We've got more gut healing goodness coming your way. Let's move on, because number 2 is creamy, dreamy, and more than just a dairy-free trend. Coming in hot at number 2, this one will blow your mind. Coconut kefir is a powerful probiotic-rich drink made by fermenting coconut milk with kefir grains. Unlike most commercial yogurts, it's dairy-free, sugar-free, and loaded with beneficial bacteria and enzymes that strengthen your gut microbiome. It promotes the growth of lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, 2 essential bacteria species for a healthy gut. These not only improve digestion, but also help regulate immune responses and reduce inflammation throughout the body. What makes coconut kefir unique is that it also contains natural antifungal and antiviral properties from the coconut itself. That means you're cleansing and repopulating your gut all in one smooth sip. Try drinking half a cup in the morning on an empty stomach to give your gut a powerful head start. Drumroll, please, because number 1 is cheap, underrated, and hiding in your pantry right now. And cruising into first place like a boss, it's cabbage juice. Cabbage juice might not be trending on TikTok, but it's been a gut-healing staple in natural medicine circles for decades. This humble veggie is rich in glutamine and sulfur-containing compounds that aid in repairing the gut lining and reducing inflammation. Drinking raw cabbage juice delivers these nutrients directly to your digestive system, promoting cell regeneration and speeding up the healing of ulcers, gastritis, and leaky gut. It also supports the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, essential for breaking down food properly. A small glass, 4 to 6 ounces, on an empty stomach each morning can do wonders. To improve taste and nutrient absorption, mix it with a bit of carrot, celery, or green apple juice. It might not taste amazing, but your gut will reward you with smoother digestion and reduced discomfort. Now you've got the blueprint, 7 hidden ingredients your gut has been waiting for. These aren't trendy supplements or expensive pills. They're time-tested, natural tools to support your digestion, immunity, energy, and overall well-being. Gut health isn't just about easing discomfort. It's about transforming how you feel every single day. When your gut thrives, your body follows. These ingredients can help you repair the root, not just cover the symptoms. Pick one of these ingredients to try this week and build from there. Stay consistent, be patient, and remember, your body is always trying to heal. You just need to give it the right tools. Subscribe to Timeless Cures for more life-changing health discoveries. And let us know in the comments, which gut healing ingredient are you starting with?